Boston Blizzard, come on.
When you're working outside in the snowstorm, you're not sure what time you're coming back home. So we make sure we package everything we need to survive for over a 24-hour shift.
We just got to this community where we have 3 properties. We'll keep you guys posted. This is what we're dealing with. This is a property number 6. This is property number 7. And this is where they finish. Tired?
I don't know. Ready to go do a few more?
Exhausted. Oh my god.
Wow, you had that much salt on you?
I know.